Hi! Today's topic might be simple, but can make your email life a lot easier. We're diving into how to set your default reply setting to Reply All in Gmail. Let's get started. Ever find yourself accidentally sending off an email to just one recipient when it needed to go to the entire group? Let's try this. For example, we've got an email here with an urgent call to reply to everyone. So naturally, we hit the reply icon, draft a quick response, and press send. Whoops! We've sent it off, but only to one person. And our message needed to reach everyone. Don't worry. We've got the solution to prevent this from happening again. Let's go through some quick steps that will change this default setting. First, open your browser and type in gmail.com to navigate to your Gmail inbox. Look to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. From the menu that appears, press See All Settings. Make sure you're in the General tab, which should be the default tab when you open See All Settings. Scroll down until you encounter Default Reply Behavior. Now switch it from Reply to Reply All. Once you're done, don't forget to scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes to make sure your tweaks stick. Now for the final step. After refreshing your browser, we will open the unread email and try again. You will notice that the former reply icon now reads Reply All. We will draft the email with what we want to reply, press send, and there you go. Your emails will now be sent to everyone. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully, this small change will make a big difference in your Gmail usage. You will never accidentally only reply to one person again. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.